Examples of visually impaired working with quality and efficiency. Points to note. When computer users make mistakes, the errors can be seen visually. This is a disadvantage for the visually impaired. So the visually impaired have to be disciplined and follow methods to prevent error, check and recheck their work. Suprita, former visually impaired student of Enable India, working as team lead in IBM Daksh.
Today I'm going to take you through the technique of using screen reader to work around with Excel. So here there is an Excel in front of me.
First cell.
Suprita reading column titles.
Name. Cost CTRs. Band. Non-billable. Unallocated. Vacation. H1.
So this is the row of data. We have these many columns of data
First
here.
cell.
So first I'm going to tell you that when I go through this data, I see a lot of blanks on this data, wherein a sighted person can see these blanks and he can work on it accordingly.
Excel sheet shown with blank rows at 3, 4, 18, etc.
But when I go to copy and paste this data on another sheet, it will be very difficult for me to copy paste the entire data. So what do I do here is I will sort the data so that the entire data comes in one format, and then it becomes easy for me to copy and paste the data. So I'll do a little bit of sorting here so that the blanks gets eliminated over here. So
First cell.
first I'll select the entire data here.
Control Shift End. Control Shift End.
Computer screen shows the entire data selected.
So I'll check the selection.
Selected range A1. S no J178. 75%.
So now that I know that I have selected the entire data, and the reason why I'm selecting the entire data is I shouldn't sort only one column, otherwise the other columns data will go here and there. So now I'm going to sort it. So
Alt D. S. Sort dialog. My data range has sort by edit combo. S no. To set the value, use the arrow keys or type the value.
I have to sort it by S no. So that is the first column here, the serial number.
Shift tab. Shift tab. Cancel button. The Shift tab. OK. Enter. Selected range A1. S no J178. Blank.
Excel sheet shown with no blank rows.
So all the blanks have come down.
First cell. 10,911. 50,630. A173. Blank. A.
Suprita goes to the bottom of the list where the last data is and goes to the bottom of the Excel to check whether there are only blanks after row 173.
So
Blank.
at
A60.
one stretch, I'm getting the entire data here.
First cell.
So the data is sorted, and now I am ready to do a copy and paste with this data. So what I do is I'll just copy this data and I'll paste it on another sheet where I have the headings here.
Sheet 2. S no B1.
So I have S
Names.
now,
Cost.
name.
Band. Billable. Non unallocated.
So everything is
First
here.
cell. Blank. A1. Sheet 1. S no A1. First cell. 10,000.
So I'll just copy this entire
Select.
data.
A2. 10,978. A173. 50,630.
Excel sheet shows values in the first column selected.
Copied selection. Sheet 2. Blank.
So I go to the sheet 2, and now the first thing in preventing the error is I need to know where I'm pasting the data, because that is the most important element when you're dealing with an Excel sheet. So now when I've copied the serial number, I'm on the sheet 2 where I'm supposed to paste the serial number. So I will just quickly go and check where is the serial number and where I need to paste the data.
S no B1. Blank. B2.
So this is the place where I need to paste the data. So I will just do a paste here.
Alt S. Paste V. To change the selection, press up or down arrow. Alt plus V.
Paste special dialog box opened.
Enter. Selected range B2. 10,978. B100.
Pasted data is shown on the screen.
So this is a place where I have pasted the data. So before pasting the data, just to confirm, what I'll do is I'll make some settings on my screen reader which will definitely read out for me when I need to work fast that which column I am on now. So I'll just go on the header and I'll make the settings there.
Name C1, S-No, B1. JAWS, adjust JAWS TT, level 0. Title reading, open, 9 items, level 1. Define name column and row titles override dash off. Space, define name column and row titles override dash for all files, 1 of 9. Title reading detection dash read column titles 0. Space, title reading detection dash read row title, space, title reading detection dash read column titles 1, enter. Application settings saved, S-No, B1, workbook 10,000, name, blanks.
So now it reads the column heading for me. So when I go to name, it says it's a name. So I'll
Sheet
just
1,
go back and I'll copy
first
the name
cell,
here.
S-No, name, Balakrishnan, select B2,
I did a control shift down arrow and I copied the entire data.
copied, sheet 2.
Now I need to know where I'm standing. Am I standing below the name or I'm standing below the serial number to paste the data? So I just quickly do a left arrow and a right arrow to figure out where I am exactly.
S-No, 10,000, name, blank, C2.
Focus is now on the cell below the column title name.
So I'm just under the name, so I'll just paste the data here.
Alt-D-S-V, paste, enter. Selected range, C2, Balakrishnan Kekakalam.